How to make money with AI as a freelancer. Are you interested in artificial intelligence and want to make money as a freelancer? In this video, we will guide you on how to become an AI freelancer and earn money. AI is the future, and businesses are always looking for solutions to their problems. As businesses keep expanding, the demand for AI engineers and developers keeps increasing. Therefore, it is an excellent opportunity to become an AI freelancer. In this video, you will find the best ways to start your journey as an AI freelancer, the skills required, tips to succeed in the top freelance sites to get work. Are you interested in working with artificial intelligence, AI, as a freelancer? This video will guide you on how to make a good income with your AI skills. AI has a wide range of applications in various industries and is highly sought after by many companies. This means that there is a huge demand for AI freelancers who can provide quality work. The first step is to identify your niche within the AI field. Do you have skills in natural language processing, computer vision, or machine learning? Once you've identified your niche, start building your portfolio. Your portfolio should showcase your skills and be easy to understand by potential clients. Next, network with other AI professionals and attend events where you can meet potential clients. You can also use social media to showcase your skills and connect with potential clients. It is essential to keep up to date with the latest AI trends and techniques, as the field is constantly evolving. You can find AI freelance jobs on various platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, and Toptal. You can also create your own website to attract potential clients and showcase your skills. Working as an AI freelancer is an excellent opportunity to leverage your AI skills and make a good income. Be sure to identify your niche, build your portfolio, and network with other professionals. With hard work and dedication, you can succeed in this fast-paced, in-demand industry. 5 keywords: AI, chatgpt, OpenAI, freelance, SEO. Welcome to our video on how to make money with AI as a freelancer. Artificial intelligence, AI, is transforming businesses and creating new opportunities. As the use of AI keeps growing, businesses require AI engineers and developers to create, test and implement AI-based solutions. Freelancing is an excellent way to use your AI skills and make money. In this video, we will guide you on how to become an AI freelancer and earn money. Skills required. To become an AI freelancer, you need to have a particular skill set, including good experience in artificial intelligence technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, computer vision, and robotics. Strong analytical and problem-solving skills. Technical knowledge of AI frameworks and programming languages, for example, Python, Java, C++, TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras. Ability to create end-to-end AI solutions, i.e., data cleaning, data exploration, model creation, and deployment. Soft skills like communication, teamwork, and time management. Tips to succeed as an AI freelancer. Specialize in a particular AI domain that interests you. For example, if you love natural language processing, focus on it and develop your skills in it. Learn constantly and keep yourself updated with the latest technology trends and techniques. Build a strong portfolio showcasing your AI projects, and use it to market yourself. Create a network of AI professionals and take part in AI forums, events, and conferences to connect with potential clients and partners. Provide good communication, work transparency, and quality deliverables to build your reputation as a trusted AI freelancer. Top freelance sites for AI. There are many freelance sites where you can get AI projects and clients. Here are some of the top sites: Upwork, Freelancer, Fiverr, Girl, People Per Hour. We hope you enjoyed this video on how to make money with AI as a freelancer. With AI growing in demand, and more businesses looking for AI solutions, it's a great opportunity to become an AI freelancer. Always remember to keep learning, building your portfolio, marketing yourself, and delivering quality work. Thanks for watching.